Minasyaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the students of Agriculture and Business Management of Cebu University. You are the stars of the institution, the shining beacons of hope and inspiration. Your unwavering dedication, relentless pursuit of knowledge, and remarkable achievements have set a new benchmark for excellence. You have shown what it means to dream big and work tirelessly to turn these dreams into reality. We are grateful for your compassion and empathy, for your kindness and support you extend to our farmers. In a world that often feels divided, you have shown the power of unity and compassion. Your act of kindness and inclusivity have created a warm and nurturing environment where everyone feels valued and appreciated. We are grateful for your creativity, innovation, for the fresh perspectives and ideas you bring to us. Through your artistic expression, scientific discoveries, and entrepreneurial ventures, you have challenged the conventional and reshaped the landscape of possibilities. We are grateful for your community engagement, for stepping up and making a difference in the lives of others. You have shown the transformative power of service. Your dedication in creating a positive impact in our communities inspire us all to be better and to do better. Lastly, I would like to express my gratitude to Cebu University Agriculture and Business Management Department, and especially to Ma'am Rose Ann Gicol. Your unwavering support and guidance have been instrumental in shaping the dreams of our farmers. Your belief in their abilities and dedication has given them wings to soar to new heights. In conclusion, this week we celebrate not only the achievements of our students but also the collective spirit of gratitude that binds us together. Congratulations, dear Agriculture and Business Management and students, and thank you for being the source of our pride and inspiration. Once again, happy Agricultural Business Management Week. Good morning and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.